Hello viewers, today I will show you how to Excel maintain proper way. So first I log in Excel sheet, then see on the top of right side plus icon, then click it, then lot of layout in this skin. You see, you can any format you can choose. Suppose I try to show you how to any format you can edit and type your data, and you can keep your data. So I click it, then some notice show this my skin. So I reading it and you listen it. We are saving change automatically. You can turn auto save off from save in file menu. Okay, got it. So first I zoom out. First I am for person, then I edit my sheet. So first see rent. I click rent means a service fee, so its amount 360 taka. Then I click it, then I need its edit. So again touch, and so I show edit option, then click it. So now this value delete. Okay, so I type value, suppose I type value 450, sorry, 4500. Okay, done. So I click enter, then down. So first time I and type any person name. So I type any person name, Rakib. Okay, done. So Excel top side and right, right show green tick sign. So I'm click here, click, then you show notes. So you click it, and then again click it, so you see a bar. So you can first tap edit option, then you can tap cross section top side. Sorry, you can again tap, then edit. So you can use keyboard cross option, you see. So I press it, then all erase. So I type notes for my notes, my personal notes. So for home service. Okay, done. So first, okay, then that's it. Try to my, then you can according way you can type rent 4 rent option and 4 cable TV option. You can change this option name, then type your amount, name, and other option. Okay, thank you for seeing this, and otherwise my channel, please subscribe this. And okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.